So on today's episode of Stop for Garage, guys, we're going to be doing something specific. We're going to be cleaning the wheels, tires, and wheel well on my CLA 45 AMG. And the main reason why you want to do this is after winter, the inside wheel well where your shocks, axles, your brake calipers, the inside of your wheel drum on the backside, the wheel in general is a very dirty spot of the car. It is probably the dirtiest component because it is what touches the road and runs over from roadkill to dirt. And if you guys are new, hit subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys like these more specific videos, I want you to comment below other videos that you guys would like to see. So without further ado, let's get cleaning. Now for washing this area of the vehicle, I'm just using the same soap I use on the outside of the vehicle, filling my bucket up with soapy water, and then dropping in all of my tools that I use only for this area. For a pre-treatment, I have filled up my sprayer with Eagle One All-Wheel and Tire Clean. It does a really good job as an initial pre-soak to get all of that grime that's built up inside this area of the vehicle. Now for cleaning of the caliper itself, I'm using my Fox Clean detailing brushes to agitate all of the different areas of the caliper, but then also I noticed that all the drilled in holes on the rotor had been completely caked in with brake pad material that I needed to pull out my pick tool and then also a small Allen head driver to completely poke through those so that way they were completely clean and free of material. Now once all the scrubbing's done, I'm going to be following up with a iron remover, and this is just a product that you spray on. It helps remove any iron contamination. It helps remove some of the excess iron that might have collected on the surface that we didn't get off in the first part of the process. Now to ensure the next time that these components get cleaned, I'm using Meguiar's hybrid ceramic spray to coat the caliper, the inner wheel well, and all the suspension components to minimize how much dirt collects and cakes onto these parts. Now for cleaning the wheels, you can just use a bristle brush to scrub the actual tire itself, or if you have a drill brush, it makes the process that much quicker, and you're going to be utilizing that in the inside of the wheel itself to speed up the process. One thing you'll notice at the inside of the wheel drum, there is some additional staining. The only real way that you would have been able to get that completely clean would be to kind of lightly sand it with some sort of sandpaper and polishing it that way. But for the most part, we got most of the contaminants out to make it clean. Now for the coating of the tire itself, I'm using Car Guy's Plastic Restorer. You can use it on plastic, vinyl, rubber, but I wanted to give it a shot on the tires to see how long it lasted, but also what kind of finish it provided, and I was actually really happy with the result. Once again, I'm using the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Spray to coat the inside and the outside of the wheel rim to help keep that dust and grime from collecting on it, but also give it a nice shine. And if you guys are interested in any of the tools or products that I use in this video, I have them linked in the description box below for you. Now for the CLA 45, I do plan on doing a full exterior paint correction and exterior detail, but for this specific video, I wanted to just tackle the wheels and tires and the wheel wells for you. So if you have any other specific requests, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And once again, guys, thank you for being part of Stauffer Garage Crew, and I'll see you guys in the next video.